Alright, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to have you here. My name is Praise Chukwuka, and I'm going to walk you through the introduction to Pixellab. Alright, so this is the app on my phone. I use the premium version, right? There's not much different with the blue one on Play Store, but I prefer to use the premium one because it has more features. Okay, this app is a very special app. It's called Pixellab Ultra Dark, but you can still download the normal one on Play Store, which is blue in color. Okay, so this is how the interface looks like. So here we have the project. We are starting from this one. This is the project. This is where you save your projects. In case you are busy with something, you can still go back and finish whatever project you are handling. Alright, so here are default backgrounds. Here are so many templates that you can use and edit, but I don't normally make use of them. So let's move into the A icon. Yeah, this is the A icon for text. Click on this place, press hold it and drag it to the center. You can just move it around, okay, anywhere you want. So I'm going to write something. Edit the text. Click here and edit it. Introduction. Introduction to Pixellab. Yeah, you can still change this to be in big letter. Okay, so the next one is this one is for delete. You can delete it. You can come back by clicking on this place. If you want to copy it, just place this place and copy it. Delete it. We don't need it. Okay, so to front and to back, we are still going to make use of it on this video. So this one is position. You can use this to position your text. You can increase the speed of the movement. Okay, can you see? Yeah. This one is relative position. You can use it to centralize your text. If you want it to go to the right, make use of this side. If you want it to go to the left, make use of this. What about the top? Make use of it, and the down part. Yeah. So here is the size of the text. You can use this to increase and decrease the size of your text. Right. So here we have padding. In case sometimes there are kind of fonts that cut out some part of text. So what you have to do is to come here and increase the left or either the right. Okay, yeah. So here is the color. You can pick any color that you want around this place, but if you don't find the color that you want, the color that are here, you don't like them, you can just click on this plus icon and pick any color. Okay, yeah. So about the gradients helps you to use two different colors in one write-up or shapes. Okay, there are so many gradients here, but you can just create any one by yourself by clicking on this plus icon. Click on this place. When you see these two lines in pink color, just know that you are clicking on one side, which is this side. Click here. Do you see where I clicked this place? Yeah, click on it and pick any color that you want. Let me make use of blue color. Okay, so let me just decrease it a little bit. Then click on this side, click here and pick any other color. Okay, yeah, mark it. Okay, can you see? But you can still change the positions. Can you see where I'm clicking at this top? Choose any position. You can still drag it to the center, anyone. right? Okay, so but I'll be making use of this. Mark it. So here is the texture. You can import any background to serve as a texture. I don't want this video to take much of our time, so that's why I'm rushing it. Okay. What if I want to make use of this? Just pick any part. Okay, mark it. So can you see the work of texture? Then as for this opacity, you can decrease it, you can increase it. Okay, and here we have rotation. You can use this to rotate it, right? And here is the mark. We will still make use of this. You still learn it as you go on in your design. So here we have fonts. These are some fonts that are on Play Store. It's not that much. Okay, there are so many fonts that you will see on this Pixellab. Sorry, not on Play Store. In this Pixellab, but you can still download fonts. These are my fonts. Some fonts that I downloaded and installed it on this Pixellab app. Okay, yeah, there are so many of them. You still learn it through my YouTube channel. Then this is the style. You can use it to make it bold. Can you see? Make it bold. This is for padding. Can you see? If you want to underline it, you underline it. Can you see? Yeah. So here is curve. You can use this to bend it any side or any angle that you want. Okay. And here we have background. Pick any color for the background. Okay, you can use it to increase the left padding, and here the right, and here the top, and this is the down part. This is the radius. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So we now move to alignment. What if I want to align this? I will come here and align it. Are you seeing it? And this side, this one. So here we have spacing. You can use this to space your text. If you want to space only the words, you can click on this place and increase it or decrease. Alright, so here we have the line spacing. Okay, so here is the stroke. You can add stroke to your text. Pick any color for the stroke. Okay, yeah. So, and this one is the shadow. You can add the shadow. Can you feel it? Yeah. So this is the shadow. You can pick any color for your shadow. Hope you can see it. Yeah. You can pick any color for your shadow. We are not making use of it. This is the offset X, and here is the offset Y. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So here is the inner shadow. And this is for embossment and perspective and all that. Enable it. Are you seeing it? Yeah, this is the perspective. So you still learn more about this as you go on your designs. So we move to this side, which is for shape. This part is for shape icon. Yeah, you can click on this place. This is our shape. You can add the radius. You can decrease opacity, increase it. You can pick any color, change the color. You can still pick any color from here, from gradients. Let's make use of this. We've already created it. Okay, so this is the stroke width. Are you seeing it? Let me reduce it. The stroke width. And here is the opacity for the stroke width. The opacity. Yeah, you can still pick any color for the stroke width and change this to any size that you want, any pattern that you want. And this is the blow. If you want to make it to be in blow, that you can increase and decrease. Alright, so that's it. And what else? You can still delete it and come back. This is for cropping. If you want to crop out some parts, you can crop out any parts that you want. Okay, there is something I forgot to show you. On these parts, you can still pick any other kind of shape by clicking on this side, on this place. You will see so many other shapes here. Alright, you can see so many other shapes. So but I'll be making use of this square shape, and this is for copy. If you want to copy it, yeah, we can delete it. And here is for to back, to front and to back. Alright, let me show you something. Let me show you what I mean by to back and to front. What if I want this to come to the back of this text? I will click on this place to back. Can you see it? It's now at the back of the text. What if I want it to come to the front? I'll use this. So let it be like this. Now this is the position. You can use this to position the shape very well. Remember, this icon is for shape icon, while this is for text icon. So this is for relative position. You can use it to centralize whatever thing you want to centralize. And this is your relative size. You can use this to increase it, decrease it. As you are moving it, the height will also be increasing. But if you want to increase only the width, you can just disable it, right, and increase the width while you decrease or increase the height. Okay, yeah. And this is the color. Enable it. Pick any color that you want, but I still love the color that we are making use of. So, and here's the texture. You can texture anything just like we did on the text. So here is the opacity. Can decrease and increase. Alright, so this is the stroke. Add stroke. Can you feel it? Yeah, this is the stroke. Pick any color. Any color is good. So, and for this part, for eraser, you can clean any part that you want. You can increase it, or increase the blur. If you want the part to be blur, you don't want it to be showing any line, you just leave it like this. Clean up these parts. Okay, mark it. Can you see? I didn't clean it well, but it's fine. So, but I will just return it to the normal position on how it's supposed to be by clicking on this place. Yeah. So here is the marks. If you want to max out something, enable it and max out this part. But as time goes on, you will still learn more. Can you see? This is what we mean by maxing. Right. So here we have the erase color. You can use this to erase the color, but you will still make use of this, especially on images. This is just a shape, right? So you can use this to rotate. Are you seeing it? This to rotate your shapes, right? Why? This is for 3D rotation. Are you seeing it? And this is for 3D shapes. You still come back to this, right? And this is for shadow. And increase the blur. Add color to it. Are you seeing it? Yeah. So we move to this fourth part. This is known for background. This is known for background icon. So you can, if you want to change the color of this background, you can just click on this place and pick any color that you want. So let's pick a color. Black is okay. Yeah. And if you want to make it to be transparent, pick it. Just click on it. It will just turn to transparent. Why this is for image size, you can use this to change your image size. Let's check. 600. Can you see? Yeah. So, and here is for images. If you want to use any image that is here, you can just pick it. Okay, but we don't normally make use of it. If you want to import any background, click on this place. Or if you want to import anything, you can still click on this place and import whatever thing that you want to import. Let's say we want to import a background. I'll just click on it and import a background. Okay. Alright. So I'll just pick this one. So this is what we have now. Okay, so now we don't normally make use of this. Okay, so we will now move to the top part of the Pixellab interface. So when you click on this plus icon, you will see text. You can still make use of this if you don't want to make use of this down part. Of this part, you can just click here and import the text and edit it using this side to edit it. Okay, so we also have current date, stickers, shape. If you want to import any shape, you can just click on this place or click here and import any shape. They are still the same thing. Okay, yeah, here from gallery you can still import any background or anything by clicking on this icon. Here we have here you can save your projects. So you can save your designs as a project or as image. In case you are doing something and you are not done with the design that you are doing, you can just save it as a project and come back to it. I can just save this with let's say intro to Pixellab. Just save it with something that you can use to remember it. Okay, so most designers normally just type anything that they want. They'll just type any rubbish and save as a project. Okay, but we are not saving this one. You can as well save your images. If you want to save your images, you can just click on this icon and save it as PNG. Okay, or if it's just a normal design that you just want to make, you can save it as JPG. But if you want to retain the quality of that design, save it as PNG, right? So for the dimension, always change it to ultra. Let it be on ultra when you want to. Then save your project and then click on this place and save it or share it to your friends. Okay, yeah, and here you can just save it and still share it to your friends. Same thing as this side. Here for quotes, you will see a lot of quotes here. Okay, yeah, and this part, there are a lot of things here, but you can normally make use of it. We normally make use of this part for image size. Use this and change your the size of your images or the design that you are doing. Okay, yeah, so alright, and for this part, this is called layer. This is a layer. You can use this to do a lot of things. If you click on this place, you can use this to edit your text. Can you see? Yeah, if you click on this place, you can use this to copy it. Why this is for increasing the size of your text, rotation, color, to back and to front. and this is for relative position. All right, and if you want to lock it, click here and lock it. You see, it's no longer moving because you locked it. If you want to hide it, just click here and hide it. So, but I will unhide it. Same thing to the shape. When you click here, you can copy the shape. You can use this for relative sizes, for the width and height, and this is for relative position, to front, to back, rotation, and all that. Okay, yeah. You can still move this by press holding this, bring it down here. Are you seeing it? Press hold it and bring it back to the normal. Yeah. Okay, let's say that I want to lock both of them, but before that I would like to do something. Let me centralize it. Let's just create a simple design. Okay, here I'm going to centralize it and lock it. I will edit this one. I'm going to edit it. Okay, so okay, let me write something. Red is a nice color. Red is a nice color, but my favorite is green, because blue means royalty. Full stop. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to centralize it, move down to alignment and align it very well, and centralize it using the relative position. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to merge both of them by clicking on this down part, pick the two of them and merge it. Can you see where I clicked on this place and merge it? Okay, so you can now move both of them. Alright, I will centralize it. Okay, let's save our projects by clicking on the top, save as image, PNG, Ultra, save to my gallery. Alright, so this is where we come to the end of the introduction to Pixellab. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell, because as time goes on, we are going to upload more and more new tutorials that will help you in your journey as a graphic designer and picture editing and all that. Okay, yeah, love you.